Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2010 Hot Wheels car. Today we have a Lamborghini Gallardo LP 560-4. It's a flat black color with painted taillights and everything. I can't wait to get this into my Timmy's 10 again toy collection. And it's going to go into my favorites. There's the card you're supposed to cut out and keep. Here's some of the other cars you can get. Actually, it's some of the other series you can get. And this one is from the All-Stars series. Let's get it out of the package. See what we're dealing with here. Very cool, very cool. And that feels like metal on top, plastic on bottom. This car is made in Malaysia. All four wheels roll well. Very sharp looking car with painted taillights. Wait a minute, let's go like this. Painted taillights, Lamborghini right in the middle. You can see the dual on both sides. So we got quad exhaust. Steering is on the left. Headlights painted, and there's the Lamborghini logo in the front. Very nice, very nice. Let's see how it rolls. Pine needles are falling at a rapid pace. This rolled very straight. Nice. Very cool, very cool. Flip Volvo. Ooh. Right backwards. Better backwards. Not too hard, not too hard. Especially since it's going in my favorites. I don't want to get any scratches on it. Alright, how does it roll? It rolls well. So let's see how it drifts. Oh, that was a cool drift. Yeah, I like that. Nice skid at the end. I like that a lot. Very much like that black, that flat black color. Better than shiny black. Yeah, I think I could do this one all day. Thanks for tuning in and checking it out with me. See what I mean about that flat black? That is just beautiful. Thank you everybody that tuned in and checked it out with me. Thanks for watching the whole video as I work on those watch hours. Please subscribe. And until next time, T10 out.